Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 8-pack of storage containers that you can use for moving. So instead of going and getting a bunch of boxes and tape and trying to fold them all up, and then you've got all this space, you've got these bags that collapse down like this for storage, and they're tear resistant, waterproof, so you can hold so much different stuff in there. It actually will hold up to about 23 gallons worth of things. So if you're packing up, say, your kid to go off to college, or you're moving from house to house, you can store so much stuff in here. It should be so much faster than going through and getting boxes, so that you can then just zip all of this closed, have it to where if it were raining on move-in day or anything, you're not gonna get water or anything. You also have handles on both of the sides, so if you were to store this, you can simply pull it out from under a bed or a closet. And then of course, you have this nice carrying thing on here that you can then take it to move with you. Put it over your shoulder if you really wanted to, because it's got a nice long strap. But these are great moving bags, super cute colors. It'd be great for any moving day.